This is the Investing News Network. I'm Georgia Williams, and we're here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. Joining me today is Bruce MacLachlan, President and COO of Bold Ventures, which trades on the TSXV at the ticker symbol BOL. Thanks for joining me today, Bruce.
Thanks very much for
It's nice
having
to see
me.
you. Yeah. Let's start with a short overview of Bold Ventures.
Yeah, Bold Ventures has been around for a couple of decades. I became president and CEO in August of 2024, and Bold has projects across northern Ontario and one in northern Quebec. It's sort of a mix of gold and critical mineral properties. And actually, we're actively drilling one of them, the Burchell Lake property, as we speak.
It's really exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had told me you just got back actually from it.
Yeah, we just started drilling a couple of weeks ago, and we'll be drilling for a while. Yeah.
And you just started off the diamond drilling campaign at Burchell. What are you most eager to learn from this campaign, and how could these results shape Bold Venture strategy in the short term?
This is the drill program is partially following up on a discovery we made last year where we had samples up to 68 grams gold. And so hopefully this drill program will help us better understand the geology. The first hole is right underneath the trench where the high-grade discovery was made. And we're also going to test a couple other targets on the property, a long strike from the Moss Lake gold deposit up in the northwest corner of our property, as well as historical copper showing in the middle of the property.
And fresh financing can always be a real vote of confidence. How will the recent capital raise accelerate your work at Burchell and support other potential priorities across your portfolio?
Yeah, recently we raised just shy of $400,000 in November, a little over $700,000 in December, and last week we closed another $200,000. So we've got a reasonable amount of money in the bank. We're hoping that we can drill 3 properties this winter. They're all sort of in the same area, the Burchell, Traxon, and Wilcorp, where we also made a new discovery last year. And they're all road accessible, so we think there's some synergies there by drilling 3 of them this winter.
Looking beyond the drill bit, what's the bigger picture for Bold Ventures in 2026? Are you targeting more project generation, partnerships, or potential development towards resources with real scale?
We're always looking at other opportunities. We'd like to be engaged with the local prospectors in Thunder Bay, northern and northwestern Ontario, other companies in the area. One thing that hopefully happens later this summer is they start building the road up into the Ring of Fire, where Bold has a 10% interest in the Black Horse chromite deposit. So if that road begins construction, that could be pivotal for Bold. Yeah.
And are they expecting to start that in the summer, you said?
They're saying hopefully in June.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's been a long time coming. I personally worked for Noront when Noront made the discovery 20 years ago. So it's been a long time coming, but it's nice to see the governments are starting to work together.
Right.
Yeah.
And Ontario is a really hot jurisdiction. What's it like operating and working there?
It's good. We were over in London, England in December for the Mines and Money show, and there was a lot of talk about the Ring of Fire. I mean, everybody was talking about it. So, yeah, it's a great place to work.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining me today, Bruce. It was lovely to know more about Bold Ventures.
Thanks for having me.
I'm Georgia Williams. This is the Investing News Network.